Hello, welcome to Engilico's webinar on how to improve packaging quality and productivity for cheese in flexible packages using inline 100% seal inspection. My name is Renat van Kouter and I will be the presenter of today's webinar. The audience is muted, but if you have questions, please type these into the private chat box. We will follow up these questions after the webinar. The presentation will also be recorded so you can view later at your own convenience. Okay, let's start with a short introduction of the Engilico company. In a nutshell, Engilico is a Belgium-based company founded in 2011. We are experts in seal inspection of flexible packages and help customers to obtain a better package quality and to increase their packaging productivity. Our solution, called SealScope, is designed for 100% inline seal inspection and monitoring and is integrated in existing or new packaging lines. Worldwide, we have about 150 plus installations, mainly in the food and pet care industries. We integrate with most packaging machines as the installation of our solution is straightforward as explained later in the webinar. Let's focus on the application. We will start with the global challenges, how SealScope works and what the components are. In the latter part of the webinar, we will present actual benefits for customers. Globally, the cheese industry is a huge and growing industry. Cheese is an essential ingredient of our daily food consumption. As one of our customers says, life is great, but cheese makes it better. There is strong competition, and to keep or increase market share, manufacturers need to constantly optimize production while preserving the highest quality and brand loyalty. To cope with these challenges, there is a clear need for automation and quality control during the processing and packaging of cheese. As cheese is often packaged under modified atmosphere conditions, the sealing is a critical step in this process to avoid leaks. Particularly when it comes to flexible packages, Engilico has developed a solution that provides inline 100% seal inspection to check the integrity of cheese products. So what are possible issues with open or leaking packages? Packages need to be sealed correctly to guarantee the integrity of the content. However, sealing is a complex process where many things can go wrong. Problems with the sealing process can result in open packages that will reduce the shelf life, that might create health risk, and that may lead to customer complaints and expensive recalls with serious potential brand damage. When sealing flexible packages, there are different issues that can cause or open leaking packages. The first type of issue that results in open packages is residual product or material that is stuck in the sealing area. For example, as grated cheese is a greasy, sticky product, it often occurs that cheese particles are residing in the sealing area during the filling. Or in case of sliced cheese, the cheese rinds can also get stuck in the seal. Other issues are folds, foldovers, or wrinkles in the seal that can lead to leaking packages. Also, misaligned cheese slices or trays on which the cheese is positioned can lead to seal height errors or product in seal. Above problems can be caused by the filling, positioning, or package forming process. As there are many mechanical parts in a packaging line, there can be drift on the packaging and sealing process that can lead to above-mentioned problems. Also, dirty sealing bars or Teflons can be the cause of badly sealed packages. Or, if the overall process is packaging too fast, there might be issues as well. The SealScope technology is explained on a rotary pouch machine, but basically the same for other types of machines. The SealScope system consists of one or more sensors that are attached to the sealing bars of the packaging machine and a controller unit with the SealScope software. Of course, the sensors are specifically designed for food applications and are IP68 washdown proof. The controller processes the sensor signals, but also receives and sends signals from and to the packaging machine or peripherals such as an ejecting mechanism. As the sensors are integrated within the machine, every individual package is inspected in the packaging line in a non-destructive way. This is why the system is called an inline 100% seal inspection system. Also, because the system is integrated in the machine, it will not require any additional space nor any change to your existing packaging line layout. Every measurement is compared to a reference profile of a good seal, a so-called fingerprint. The reference models are automatically updated at the start of every run using correct seal profiles, a process that we call baselining. SealScope can use different reference models to accommodate changes in thickness, material, weight, or size, as the product on the line also can vary. If a sealing measurement differs too much from a user-defined boundaries around the reference profile, a signal can be sent to an ejector to exclude the bad package. As every seal is measured, it is also possible to monitor the variance on the sealing process in time. Alarms can be issued when exceeding user-defined thresholds, and cleaning or even maintenance can then be scheduled. So here is an example of how SealScope works on a pouch packaging machine. Pieces of packaging material with different sizes are inserted during the sealing of pouches to simulate wrinkles or product in seal. One can clearly see the differences in measured signal and how SealScope reports the error. It also demonstrates that SealScope is very sensitive and can pick up small contaminations or wrinkles. The second example is an integration on a horizontal flow wrapping machine to package sliced cheese. The distance sensors are connected with brackets to the sealing bars. In the next movie, the operation is explained. First, you see how the packages are sealed and separated. The arrows indicate where the sensors are located. For defective packages, red alerts are shown in the SealScope software. The package with issues are blown out by the ejector. These packages can be manually verified to identify the issue, which can provide important information to fine-tune the packaging process. Another advantage of the inline detection is that the product can be repackaged immediately. The last example illustrates the operation on a vertical form-filled seal bagger, often used for packaging grated cheese. Distance or vibration sensors are mounted on the sealing bars to detect product in seal or wrinkles. In the next demonstration movie on a VFFS machine, it again shows the basic operation of SealScope for 100% inline inspection. In this demonstration, grated cheese is packaged on a VFFS machine. You can see again the sensors, and SealScope detects issues with product in seal or faults that lead to micro leaks. The integration of the sensors is relatively simple. Vibration sensors are mounted on the sealing jaws using a standard M6 bolt. The distance sensors and targets are mounted using a mechanical bracket that is interfaced to the sealing bars or holders. SealScope operates both with single as multiple sealing packaging machines such as duplex, triplex or quadruplex sealing stations. The base controller unit with touchscreen operation handles PLC-type digital 24-volt signals from and to the packaging machine and peripherals. The input signals consist of triggers from the machine cycle indexer or signals that indicate the opening and closing of the sealing bars. The output signals consist of triggers sent to an ejector system to remove the faulty packages. Typically, the installation of a SealScope system, including mechanical and electrical wiring, testing and fine-tuning of all parameter settings, is limited to a few days. As the integration is relatively straightforward, SealScope is compatible with almost all packaging machines for flexible packages. Some of the renowned brands on which we have already successfully integrated are presented in this slide. So let's now take a closer look to the operator software. The operator software runs on the controller unit that is embedded in an industrial cabinet equipped with a touchscreen. The main screen is very operator friendly and provides basic information on individual seals and the sealing process status. In the sealing status, the operator can see the quality of each individual seal. A defective seal is indicated with a red bar. Also, if there is an empty package due to a wrong filling, this is indicated but with a blue bar. In the process status, one can see the variation of the process over time. Information is available since the start of the production run and on the last hour. The operator can also launch a calibration phase to set the reference profile after a standstill or after cleaning. Behind the basic functional operator UI, there are more advanced UI screens to analyze detailed results. In the advanced UI screens, all measurement results and signals from the different sensors are displayed to provide more information on the sealing process. All seal bar closing information, such as lift, tilt, and optionally roll, is calculated and is presented in a visual way to obtain more information on the seal bar behavior. This can assist the operator to fine-tune the sealing process or to analyze what might be a cause for incorrect seals. As you can see in the deviation detail window on the right, the measurement signal crosses the threshold and so the package is rejected. In the reporting module, all measured results can be displayed either in graphical or text-based reports. Various reports are available that are geared towards different audiences such as operators, quality responsibles, production managers, or general management. Today, producers want to learn more from daily digital manufacturing data to optimize their production, to predict maintenance cycles, and even to adjust automatically machine parameters. With the recording of all sealing process data, SealScope complies to this so-called Industry 4.0 philosophy. All measurement data can be saved on the company network or streamed via OPC MQTT connectors. This allows big data analysis to monitor the line performance. As an example of reporting, SealScope logs hourly production data to visually compare performance over various operators, products, and packaging lines. SealScope logs date, time, total packages, number of good/bad packages per product type, and this data is available in a text format for offline statistical analysis. Also, operator interactions with SealScope are logged to obtain 100% traceability. So let's look at a few customer examples now. The first example is Hazeleer Kaas, a Dutch co-packer of sliced cheese. Here SealScope is integrated on two Amori flow wrappers. One of the main goals was to monitor the sealing quality when introducing a new type of fold-over packaging. SealScope was crucial to fine-tune the packaging machine to obtain the best packaging speed with optimal quality. Also, automated inspection was an important element in the process as the end-of-line packaging was automated and no manual inspection was desired. Here also the main issue of bad seals are wrinkles, product in seal, or foreign materials such as the cardboard in the seal. Important results at Hazeleer were that the manual inspection step was eliminated for the automation of the complete line. However, most important effect was on the productivity. The uptime increased to 90% and the rejection ratio dropped by a factor 10 due to a better understanding and early warning system. Also, as one of the company customer values is to guarantee a high quality product, the 100% inspection perfectly fits in this strategy. Another customer example is Schoops, a Belgian grated cheese producer situated in La Louvière. In 2018, they searched a solution to improve their outgoing product quality as they had a considerable amount of product returns. They had issues with micro leaks in the seals, mainly through wrinkles, plies, and faults in the seal. SealScope sensors were implemented in the sealing bars of the vertical form fill and seal packaging machine, with remarkable results. After installing SealScope, The customer complaints on bad packages drastically reduced. Before the system was installed, about 1% of the total outgoing 3,500 ton production was returned by the customers. This now dropped to a few packages per month, which is a remarkable result. So let's take a look now at the global benefits that SealScope brings for different departments in the company. SealScope provides benefits towards three important stakeholders: the quality control department, production, and the maintenance department. For the quality department, SealScope enables to obtain a higher quality by reducing the number of defective packages that leave the factory. The inline 100% inspection of all packages avoids the manual inspection at the line. And also, if sample-based testing is done, it avoids to sort or quarantine the production output after a bad sample is detected. The machine monitoring functions give early warnings to the operators if process starts drifting due to, for example, contamination or dirty sealing bars. For the production department, SealScope enables a higher productivity by maximizing the packaging speed while maintaining the quality. Typical productivity increase values vary between 5 and 20%. It is also possible to streamline the overall production process by comparing measurement results across all machines and operators. And also the packaging machine can be fine-tuned by analyzing the rejected packages in the ejector bin. This inspection quickly provides the operator with the main current problems that can be product in seal caused by a badly timed filler, or wrinkles that can be caused by the gripper or the suction cups that are not optimally configured. Also for the maintenance department, the benefits are clear. By monitoring the packaging machine, early warnings can reveal seal bar or alignment issues that are induced by dirt, wear or drift. Another example is a better setup of duplex seal bars by using measurements to align the closure of the seal bars. These numerous advantages have resulted in 150 plus installations at renowned customers, mainly in food and pet care, but particularly also at cheese producers. The reasons why these customers choose SealScope are again summarized in our final slide. In about all of our projects, productivity increases are noted up to 15%. A better quality is realized. As SealScope eliminates defective packages, the number of compromised outgoing packages drops significantly. The higher first-time right ratio results in less rework and lower scrap, less operator waste time, all contributing to lower costs. For operators, they can expand their tasks to contribute more to the process management. And the monitoring tools of SealScope provide better and faster insight in optimal process settings and line behavior. So this is also the end of the webinar. The questions we have received we will answer by email or phone. Of course, you can still submit questions or contact us via marketing@engilico.com. Please note that after the webinar there will be a small survey that we appreciate if you could fill it in. If you have colleagues that might be interested, you can also provide them the link to the recorded webinar that will be soon available. Thank you again for your interest and have a good day.